solve for the x this biquadratic equation 9x to the power 4 minus 148x square plus 64 is equal to 0. See, this is a biquadratic equation, means x to the power 4. So let us suppose x square is equal to y. Minus 148y plus 64 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation because the degree of this equation is 2. But here applying the middle term splitting is very tedious. So let us use the quadratic formula. Let us first see what is the quadratic formula. Ax square bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. To solve this one, we can write directly solution minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So with the help of this formula, we will solve this quadratic equation. Now let us compare this quadratic equation with this general form of quadratic equation. So a is equal to 9 and b is equal to minus 148 and c is equal to 64. Using this formula, x is equal to minus b. Minus b means minus 148 plus minus under root this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Upon 2a means 2 into 9. Minus minus plus square of 148 is 21904. Multiplying 4 into 9 to 64, it becomes 2304 upon 18. By subtracting this one, it is coming 19600. Rest of the portion I am solving here. One 9600 square root, it is 140. Now one by one take the positive and negative. Taking positive, it is 148 plus 140 upon 18. So the one value of x is 16. Now let us take the negative. So x is equal to 4 upon 9. Now see, these are not an answer because we suppose initially y square is equal to x. We already supposed this one in the beginning, y square is equal to x. So now taking x is equal to 16, so y is equal to plus minus 4. Again the y square is equal to x taking, so y square is equal to 4 upon 9. So y will be plus minus 2 upon 3. So since in the question it was the biquadratic equation, means degree is 4. So there are 4 values, plus minus 4 plus minus 2 upon 3. वन अपॉन एक्स को हम LHS में ले आएंगे, इसको फ्रैक्शन रूल से सॉल्व करेंगे। अब अब यहाँ नीचे की तरफ मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, देखिए ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे, इसको भी अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं। इसको हम सॉल्व करें फ्रैक्शन रूल से तो a प्लस बी अपॉन ए बी एलसीएम। x माइनस एक्स कैंसिल, ये माइनस हम ब्रैकेट में ले लेते हैं। a प्लस बी को हम अगर ब्रैकेट में लें तो देखिए कोई कन्फ्यूज़न नहीं होगा, ये दोनों आपस में कैंसिल और यहाँ -1 आ जाएगा। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ। माइनस ए बी को इस तरफ शिफ्ट कर दें तो प्लस ए बी इज इक्वल टू 0। अब यहाँ देखिए स्टूडेंट पेयरिंग कर देते हैं, एक पेयर ये ले लेते हैं, एक पेयर ये ले लेते हैं, तो यहाँ x कॉमन, x प्लस ए, और यहाँ भी b कॉमन। नाउ इन होल एक्सप्रेशन x प्लस ए कॉमन, x प्लस b ब्रैकेट में। ज़ीरो प्रोडक्ट रूल मीन्स क्या होता है, दो चीज़ों का प्रोडक्ट अगर ज़ीरो है तो या तो ये ज़ीरो होगा या तो ये ज़ीरो, तो एक एक करके हम ज़ीरो पुट करेंगे। तो इससे आता है x इज इक्वल टू -a। अब इसको ज़ीरो पुट करें तो x आता है -b। इसको हमने जब सॉल्व किया तो एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन गई। तो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मीन्स x की दो वैल्यू आ गई, x इज इक्वल टू -a एंड x इज इक्वल टू -b। The sum of the squares of two positive consecutive numbers is 265. Find the numbers. Let the numbers are x and x plus 1. Consecutive numbers, so differ by 1. According to question, squares, sum of the square is equal to 265. See student, here converting that situation into mathematical induction. The sum of the squares of consecutive number is equal to 265. Using here a plus b whole square and a square, 2ab plus b square is equal to this 265 x square 2x square 2x, and this is shifted here 1 minus 265 264. It can be reduced by 2, so we'll divide throughout by 2. X square plus x minus 132 is equal to 0. Now let us split this middle term for factorization. In place of the x, I have written 12x minus 11x. Now we'll make a pair. In this pair x is common, and here I should write directly x plus 12, and this is minus 11, that is common in this, is equal to 0. X minus 11, x plus 12. In whole, I took this common, x plus 12 is common. Product of the two number is 0, so either this or this will be 0. So first we take x minus 11 0, then we will consider x plus 12 0, but this gives the negative number. So in this question it is given the two positive numbers, so we will rejecting this answer since it is negative. So our answer is x 11. We consider two number x and x plus 1. One is 11, so other will be x plus 11. So answer is 11 and 12 are two positive consecutive number. You can verify this here. Listen to verify sum of the squares. So means 11 square and 12 square, it is 121 144 gives 265. It means our answer is correct.